In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your website look great on a mobile or tablet browser. A majority of your traffic is going to be mobile, so it is very important to have a nice and cohesive look to your mobile site. Your first step is going to be adjusting the global text settings for your mobile site. To do that, you're going to go over here to the paintbrush and the global styling tool. You're going to go to text styling, and then you're going to scroll over to this mobile phone right here. This is going to allow you to set your text size and different settings for your heading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and your paragraph for mobile browser. You can also adjust the line height of your headings, especially if they are too close together in your mobile view. The next step after adjusting your text settings is to kind of just scroll through the layout and look for anything that you don't really like the way it looks. You can always go into the widgets and drag a widget into your mobile layout, and it will only show on mobile. You will see a little mobile icon there when you drag the widget into the layout, and you can adjust it from here. I use this a lot, like if there are certain items that are too close together and I don't like the way they look, I'll just add a little space. The last step for editing your mobile site is looking for anything that just looks really funny. For example, the slider doesn't necessarily collapse properly, and so it leaves your logo bar stacked. What you can do here is you can hover over the block and you can hide it on mobile, and then place in a slider that only shows one logo at a time here. So you essentially have a duplicate, one that's shown on mobile and one that's shown on desktop. When you add a gallery widget that is going to be for mobile only, instead of making it 3 rows across, you can then make it only one image per row, and it'll show only one logo at a time instead of a stacked logo like up top. And that's pretty much it for editing your mobile site. For the most part, your mobile site will collapse into a proper your website will collapse into a proper mobile site, but there are always some adjustments that need to be made afterwards.